Ever pondered on how to convert your digital presence into a money-minting machine? The world is a global village, and with the right steps, you can start earning online from the comfort of your own home. Step 1 is to identify your skill set. Are you a wordsmith, a graphic designer, or perhaps a coding guru? There's a whole world out there hungry for your skills. Platforms such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are treasure troves where you can showcase your talents and start bidding for projects. Step 2. Create a blog or a website. This is your digital storefront where potential clients can see your work and get in touch with you. It's also a platform for you to share your thoughts, ideas, and showcase your expertise. Step 3. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing. Companies are always looking for individuals to promote their products or services. You simply need to sign up as an affiliate, promote the product on your digital platforms, and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Step 4. Consider online tutoring. If you're an expert in a particular field, why not impart your knowledge to others? Platforms such as tutor.com and Chegg Tutors make it simple for you to connect with students worldwide. Step 5. Sell products online. Whether it's handmade crafts, vintage items, or digital products, platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon make it easy for you to set up shop and start selling. Step 6. Delve into the world of content creation. YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok offer a platform for creators to earn through sponsorships, brand collaborations, and ad revenue. Now let's summarize the key points. To start earning money online, you need to remember, the digital world is vast and full of opportunities. With dedication, perseverance, and the right approach, you can start earning money online. So why wait? Start your online money-making journey.